After my first Shinkansen ride from Tokyo, I had two unforgettable food experiences. A 20-course omakase in Osaka and a Kobe beef meal in Kobe. Was it worth it? Let's find out. But spoiler alert, it absolutely was. For day 4 of the Japan trip, we took an early Shinkansen ride from Tokyo to Osaka. As we arrived, we struggled to find any available lockers in the busy stations, so we showed up at the restaurant with all of our luggage. Thankfully, the staff was super accommodating and they let us store all our bags in the back. We had a 6-course meal, which included salad, nigiri, wagyu, fried rice, and dessert. Was it worth it? Absolutely. Here's why. The Kobe beef was the clear standout since the meat melted in my mouth on each bite. Everything else was worth it too, especially the garlic rice, because I'm a garlic rice fanatic, along with the lobster and asparagus, and of course, the sweet yuzu dessert. It was the perfect way to end the meal. Beyond the food itself, what really made this experience worth it was watching the chef cook everything right in front of us and seeing how fast and skilled they were. What a great start to the day. Afterward, we made our way back to Osaka, where we checked into our Airbnb and finally got to store our luggage. We took the rest of the afternoon to rest up and binge-watch Severance. We ended up watching the later half of Season 1 to catch up, since the first episode of Season 2 had just come out. For the season finale, things got so intense and we were really into it that we were all standing up to watch it. Great ending, by the way. Once we finished, we headed out for dinner to Sushi Atsuya for our 20-course omakase. It was an intimate setting as we sat at the bar, watching the chef's meticulous preparation of each course. It's hard for me to describe the food, other than saying it was amazing, because honestly, my standards for sushi aren't high at all. I'm from a place where seafood isn't fresh, so this was definitely the best I've ever had. But I will say, I had some interesting courses, like eating mochi in the soup and uni with salted rice flakes. Was it worth $77 for 20 courses? I would say yes, both for the amount of food we got, along with the quality. Beyond that, getting to watch each course made right in front of us added to the experience. But what really made this worth it? The price tag. $77 for a 20-course omakase is a steal, especially when you compare it to US prices. And that is it. That's day 4 of our trip. Thanks for watching, and be sure to hit that like and subscribe button to stay tuned for the next travel vlog, where we explore more of Osaka and Kyoto. See you then!